Guide dogs. 6 puppies play outside together. Meet Conker, a German Shepherd Cross Golden Retriever. Ellie, a Labrador Cross Golden Retriever. Benny, a German Shepherd Cross Golden Retriever. Harlow, a German Shepherd Cross Golden Retriever. Eris, a Labrador Cross Golden Retriever. And Hetta, a German Shepherd Cross Golden Retriever. Harlow and Ellie playfully fall over a pink unicorn soft toy. Hetta pulls a tug rope toy around her shoulder. Benny, Harlow and Hetta play by the slide. Conker sits patiently as Benny and Harlow play fight next to him. Eris, Hetta and Harlow walk towards the camera. Guide dogs.